Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain two quick methods to get GeoJSON data for you to use. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and GeoJSON extends the JSON format with the geospatial dimension. GeoJSON is a very famous data format, especially for web mapping. It is simple and it's easy to read, and it's supported by many mapping applications, libraries, and APIs, such as QGIS, ArcGIS, ArcGIS Online, Leaflet, Mapbox, Turf, Car2DB, OpenLayers, PostGIS, MapServer, GeoServer, GeoDjango, and GDAL. So as you can see, it is almost used by all the common GIS software. So let's start with the first method, which is converting a shapefile to GeoJSON file using QGIS. I have downloaded this shapefile, so if I drag it to QGIS, as you can see, these are the points. If I click Save As here from the menu, you see there are many formats that I can convert the file to. So there's the GeoJSON format here, and you see here like there are many options. One of the options is creating the non-spatial attributes. There is the projection and everything. So I'll leave everything to default. I'll just have to give it a name. So I'll just call it Memorials GeoJSON. In the desktop, click Save, click OK. As you can see here, I have it. And also, the file is added here to the map. And just a quick hint for QGIS users: if you have a GeoJSON file added to the layers, you cannot edit it. So if I click here, it is disabled. While for the shapefile here, you can edit it. Okay. So this is the first method, and just for me to verify the attributes, I can right click here, go to Open Attribute Table. You see these are the attributes for the GeoJSON, and if we open the ones for the shapefile, they're the same. Okay, great. So this file right now is ready for us to use in web mapping or in any other GIS software. So this was the first method of getting GeoJSON data by converting a shapefile to GeoJSON format, and as you can see, it is easy and quick using QGIS. The second method is using a website called GeoJSON.io. So in this website, I can create my own GeoJSON data, or I can use existing one. So first, let me zoom to DC area. And before I create my own data, I'll test the data here that was created using the previous method through QGIS. Okay. So you see, these are the points. So this is the GeoJSON format. If you're not familiar with it, it's basically a list of features, and each feature represents a point. So here we have the first point, and over here these are the non-spatial attributes, and these are the spatial attributes. So we have the geometry type and we have the coordinates. I can also click on New. I'll zoom to DC area again, and I can start creating my own data. So there's lines, polygons, and points. So I'll go ahead and create some lines here. And as you can see here, the non-spatial attributes are empty because I didn't specify anything, but I have the coordinates and I have the type change here for line strings. Over here it's point. So for the non-spatial attributes, for example, if I specify stroke width and give it a value of 5, 15, 1, 0. You see it's reflected on the map, so I'll select 10 so you can see it. If I want to add another attribute, I have to use the comma, and for the color of the stroke you can just specify stroke like this and say red, okay, or blue. Okay, anyways, I will leave it as it is right now, and I can click save, GeoJSON, save file, and here I have it. So just to verify, if I click new, I can pull this file here. You see it's zoomed to the area, so the first feature has non-spatial attributes while the second one does not. Thank you very much for listening. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will be adding tips frequently for different GIS technologies to share it with you.